Welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is compare documents. Have you ever written or received two versions of a document that you needed to compare? The Google Document Comparison feature can be used by document owners or those with edit access. This feature is helpful to track the progress of documents and see how they have changed with edits. Let's look at how to compare two documents. Open Google Chrome and click the waffle to the left of your profile picture and then click Docs. Open the first document that you want to compare. Click on Tools and then click Compare Documents. In the pop-up, under Select the Comparison Document, click My Drive. Scroll down and select the document that you want to compare. Then click Open in the bottom left. If you want to include comments from the selected document, click the checkbox. Then click Compare in the bottom right of the pop-up. On the next pop-up, click Open. As a new document gets added, the comparisons will show. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.